Shubhodaya. Compass, wherever you take, always point to the north. The eagle, however high it flies, it can concentrate on its target. Recently there was some video in a stadium of around 100,000 people. The pet eagle, they released the eagle. It found amongst the 100,000 crowd, it identified its owner and came near her. Yogis always know what is the goal, but generally we humans, we don't know where we are. Keep on changing our focus. Changing our focus. In a day, we get around 50,000 thought waves. The moment I hang on to one thought wave, another thought wave comes, knocks it down and makes us to pursue another one. Before I pursue, another thought wave comes, knocks it off. Thought waves, one after another comes. It is managing the thought waves. It is like waves in the ocean. Even for the adept swimmer, it is a challenge to swim against the current. Currents are continuously coming. Going along with the current is easy. Thought waves are coming. I do whatever I want. Today I am doing this one. Tomorrow it is very easy. Swimming against the thought current and reaching the goal is the purpose of it. Is called a sadhana. Sadhana. So many thought waves comes. So many distractive thought waves comes. They distract us from reaching the goal. So many thought waves, they come to test our endurance. Whether are we really serious to cross across. Patanjali talks about this one, Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Yoga is nothing but managing you are not getting lost with so many thought waves. 50,000 plus thought waves come, not getting lost and get drowned in the life and losing the track. Yoga means get on to the thought wave, which will for sure help you to sail across. To sail across, we need to hang on. Patanjali says that is yoga. Yoga is to get on to the thought waves, hang on to the thought waves. It is not easy. It is Patanjali, he says, for that one you have to have the courage. Courage, I will hang on. When you are hanging on to that thought wave, I want to cross across, so many uncertainties are there. So many ifs and buts. So many people may be laughing at you and jeering at you. You are a silly person. Look at me, how I am enjoying my life. Many people tempts you to move away. Their world is full of those people. They want to distract your journey. They distract. Tat pratishedartham ekatattva abhyasa. Patanjali talks about you have so many. World is full of people who wants you to get drowned. They don't want you seeing, they seeing you sailing across. Tat pratishedartham, Patanjali talks about to overcome all the obstacles. You need the conviction, inner conviction. I am here to sail across. Tat pratishedartham, I will go. Overcome all the negativities, negative comments, destructive comments. With the intensity, I am moving forward. I am moving forward. Ekatattva abhyasa. Hanging on to only one focus. my only goal, how can I reach the other side? The swimmer, person drowning, that his or her only wish, I want to grasp one more breath. My only one breath I have to take. Somehow drowning person comes up and longs for only one breath. So is one who longs to sail across must have only one ideal in life, only one goal. That is my goal. I won't move away. I won't move away from my path. I will move forward. That type of intensity Patanjali's Ekatattva Abhyasa Tat Pratishedartham, to overcome the obstacles. Ekatattva Abhyasa. Ekatattva, it is Bhagavad Gita gives a shloka to comment on that one. General public is going one way, but yogi goes on the other way. Other way, not you can't measure the popularity of the path based on the number of people on the road. It's Yanisha Sarvabhutanam Tasyam Jagarti Sanyami Yasyam Jagrati Bhutani Sanisha Pashyato Munehe. Not to gauge the popularity where every crowd is going, people may be saying, you must be mad not coming here. Not to gauge based on the crowd. If everyone is going one side, the yogi goes on the other side, opposite side. When everyone is awakened, having a party, yogi is not interested. Whereas when yogi is awake, others are not interested. Be proud to be a minority. Be proud to be a minority. If you are majority, you get lost. So many distractions are there. In the minority means no disturbance. You can put your thoughts together, work on. If you are only associating in the crowded place, you are distracted, you can't focus. You can't focus, and you can move forward. In Patanjali says, one who is so determined, moving forward, it's Swarupe Avasthanam. It's Yogaha Chitta Vritti Nirodha Tada Drashtu Swarupe Avasthanam. That person realizes the purpose. That person is called a self-realized person. Tada Drashtu Swarupe. One realizes why I am moving this side. Majority of us, we don't know why we are moving. Everyone is going, I am also going. When one knows, Tada Drashtu, I am so motivated to swim against the current, I will reach the goal. Tada Drashtu. That person abides by one nature. I am not living to please anyone. I realize the goal of my life. That is the whole life. Life after life we come. We come after life after life. We want to know our purpose. We swim bit and get drowned. After many attempts, many lives, many attempts, we realize this life I don't want to get drowned. This life, hook or crook, I want to go across. How can I make? How can I make? So it talks about align with somebody who is so intensely motivated and swimming across against the current. Tag along when a person is drowning. What they do, one who is adept swimmer, they tie a rope around that person, make other person, you hold on to this one. I am going, you find somebody who is so motivated, get on to the rope, end of the rope, and with the so focused, you will reach the other side. Lie down on your back.